Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Bluetooth on your PC and putting the audio receiver into pairing mode. This lets devices discover each other. Open Settings Bluetooth, because if the adapter is disabled, the receiver can't connect. Once done, make sure no other phone or headset is actively pairing nearby to prevent interference. If Windows prompts for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Those are common. You're now ready to select the receiver from the PC's device list and initiate the connection. Once paired, choose the receiver as your default playback device so audio actually routes there. Go to Sound Settings or right-click the volume icon and pick Playback Devices. Make sure to change the adapter's sample rate and bit depth only if you notice sync or quality issues, because higher rates use more bandwidth. If system sound still defaults elsewhere, disable unused outputs temporarily. You'll hear audio through the receiver after selecting it and testing with a media file or system sound. To finish, verify audio sync by playing a short video and listening for delays. Codec choice affects latency, so switch if your receiver and adapter support aptX or similar. If audio cuts out or stutters, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and pair again, because a fresh handshake often clears glitches. Make sure PC Bluetooth drivers and the receiver's firmware are up to date. Updates fix compatibility bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both devices before deep diving into settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.